Hi, Mama Isra. Good afternoon. I'm Jasmine Buela. I am 47 years old. I am married but separated. I have three sons, ages 27, 24, and 23. I am honest, polite, patient, have good manners, positive minds, good smile, and have God fearing. My first experience was in Qatar 2016 to 2018. My duties there is to taking care of four kids, ages 10, 9, 7, and 1 year old. 7, 9, and 10 years old, I bring them and pick up them to school. Also, I make their breakfast and some foods to bring in the school. The 7 years old, sometimes I take her a bath and I feed her. The 1 year old, my duties to her is to take her a bath, change diaper, play with her, singing nursery rhymes, and take her a bed, and I'm reading books while she's going to sleep. That's all my duties. My second experience here in Hong Kong, 2019 to 2021. My duties is to taking care of newborn babies. I feed her, I make her food every day in the morning. I play with her, I take her a bath, I feed her, I make her milk, I change her diaper, play with her, singing nursery rhyme, and take her sleep while reading a book. My duties also is to cleaning house, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing, washing cars. Sometimes I go to the market to buy some groceries. My third experience also here in Qatar. I served them for almost 5 years and 3 months from 2021 to 2026. My duties to them is to taking care also of the kids ages 9 and 10. Sometimes I bring them to school and sometimes I pick up them every day. Also, my duties to them is to bring them to some activities like running, dancing, swimming, math tutorial, and some activities. My duties also is cleaning house, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing, cook for the kids. I didn't cook for my employer because they eating most eating outside. And also my duties is washing the car sometimes. Sometimes I go to market to buy some groceries. That's all. Wish you choose me. Thank you.